Apple Intelligence has 20-plus brand new features in iOS 26. Here's the full list. Apple Intelligence may not yet include the major Siri upgrades that were promised, but there are a ton of other new features that just arrived in iOS 26. Here's everything new. New Apple Intelligence features available in iOS 26. In iOS 18, Apple Intelligence offers just over 20 features. But iOS 26 adds another 20-plus new features and improvements, all in a single software release. Here's the full list of new AI features across 4 categories. Communication. Communication is a big focus with Apple Intelligence in iOS 26, bringing upgrades to the Messages, FaceTime, and Phone apps. 1. Live translation for messages. Two-way automatic translation of messages into supported languages. 2. Messages poll suggestions. Get automatic poll creation suggestions based on your conversation. 3. Conversation backgrounds with Image Playground. Create custom background images for your conversations in the Messages app. 4. Messages natural language search. AI-powered search comes to the Messages app for finding messages, photos, links, and more. 5. Live translation for calls. FaceTime and the Phone app can automatically transcribe or speak aloud translations for supported languages. 6. Voicemail summaries. Summaries are now available automatically for voicemail transcripts. 7. AirPods Live Translation. Debuted with AirPods Pro 3, but AirPods 4 and AirPods Pro 2 also support. Expanding into more apps and languages. Apple has expanded the reach of Apple Intelligence to new system and third-party apps in iOS 26, plus added new supported languages. Apple Maps upgraded search. More powerful, effective search in Maps thanks to AI. 2. Shortcuts AI actions. Employ actions that tap into Apple's AI models, or writing tools or image creation features. 3. Auto-categorizing reminders. Instantly transform a disorganized list into one that's well-organized and categorized. For reminder suggestions, create new reminders based on content from an email, website, or note. Apple Wallet order tracking. AI will pull order tracking info directly from your email inbox, including for Amazon purchases. 5. AI models for third-party apps. Apps can tap into Apple's foundation models for implementing new AI features. 6. New supported languages. Danish, Dutch, Norwegian, Portuguese, Portugal, Swedish, Turkish, Chinese, traditional, and Vietnamese. Image creation upgrades. Apple's Genmoji and Image Playground features received several upgrades in iOS 26. 1. ChatGPT in Image Playground. Create custom images using ChatGPT. 2. Genmoji that mix multiple emoji. Mix 2 emoji together to get a new Genmoji. 3. Custom facial expressions. Image Playground and Genmoji now let you customize facial expressions for creations based on people. For personal attributes for people's images. Image Playground and Genmoji also now let you modify personal attributes like facial hair, eyewear, and more. Miscellaneous. Rounding out Apple Intelligence's iOS 26 update, there's a new battery mode, powerful visual intelligence changes, and expanded notification summaries. 1. Adaptive power mode. Extend your battery life thanks to AI-driven optimizations. 2. Visual intelligence for screenshots. Includes features like Ask ChatGPT, image search, and add to calendar. 3. Notification summaries for all apps. News and entertainment notification summaries are now available. Apple also has several watchOS 26 Apple Intelligence features that require iOS 26 to run the AI models, so those could be considered iOS features too. iPhone compatibility for Apple Intelligence in iOS 26. Last year, when Apple Intelligence launched, it supported a small number of very recent iPhone models. There's good news and bad news with iOS 26. 1. The good news is, if your iPhone supported last year's AI features, all of Apple Intelligence's new capabilities will work too. 2. The bad news is, Apple hasn't expanded AI support to any older devices. That means you'll need an iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max, or any iPhone 16, iPhone 17, or iPhone Air model to get the new features. Which new Apple Intelligence features in iOS 26 are your favorites? Let us know in the comments.